would like to ask you that what is your daily routine?
Okay, come up with your daily routine.
Okay. I wake up early in the morning, and then I get fresh, and after that I eat bread. I have take breakfast, and then I get ready for my online classes. After the completion of classes, I take my lunch, and then I take rest for 1 hour, and after taking rest, I sat for a study, and then I revise all the subject which I have studied in whole class, and then I think whether something I learn new or not in our classes, uh, and after that at evening time I spend my time for coding in FoxPro or QBasic. That's also.
All right.
And my question
Yes.
is that
Yes.
In FoxPro, you complete your all outs. You clear your
Yes,
clear your all
I
outs.
complete. Yes, I revise all the topics which our teachers which our teachers deals, but some of the topics are left, which I will clear tomorrow for my mark you.
Saket here.
Yes.
Saket has got a question to ask. Saket,
How much time did you spend with your family?
Basically, I spend after the completion of my classes, I live with my family, and I think I spend 4 or 5 hours with my parents or with my family.
4 to 5 hours. All right. Next question.
Hey Shubham, Rishabh here.
Rishabh.
Yes, Risa.
My question is, do you love to spend extra time on your hobbies, and what are those?
Basically, my hobby, I spend my more time with my junior students to motivate him, or to give or to teach him related to syllabus. In right now, I also teach the students of class 9th and 10th. So basically, my hobby is to give the knowledge, or to express my knowledge to my juniors.
Hello, Shubham.
Yes.
I'm Sibu Kumar. I'm Sibu here.
Yes.
How do you like CMED online classes and teachers?
Yes, I like my online classes, and I enjoy my online classes because in this pandemic there is no option to attending the class. Therefore, I enjoy it, and I accept this pandemic, and I always think to fight with this. So therefore, I enjoy these online classes.
How many questions you attended, Shubham?
Sir, I think 4 or 5 questions.
4 to 5 questions. All right, last question we can take. We will take one more question for Shubham.
Hi Shubham.
Hello.
Yes, Ravi. Ravi is asking a question. We will take the question of Ravi.
Hi Shubham. Ravi.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes, Ravi. Yes, Ravi.
I have a question. We could do any part of today over again, but would it be?
Your question is not clear, Ravi. Please repeat again. Yeah, his question is not clear to me. Let him repeat the question. Ravi, repeat the question.
You could do you part of today over again. What do it be?
Either his network is.
I don't, sir.
What
I
is
don't
his question? What is his question? Yeah, I also did not
I also did not understand
I
what
want to ask Ravi. Ask the question in Hindi. हिंदी में पूछो.
हिंदी में सर, आप आज के किसी भी हिस्से को फिर से कर सकते हैं, वो क्या होगा?
आज क्या क्या?
आप आज के किसी भी हिस्से को फिर से कर सकते हैं, तो वो क्या होगा?
कर सकते हैं मतलब कि आज जो उसका दिन बीता है किसी दूसरे मतलब वो किसी भी मोमेंट को दोबारा से कैसे करेगा, यही है. तो क्वेश्चन लिखो रवि.
करना चाहे तो वो क्या मोमेंट हो?
बता रहे लिखो. नहीं वो क्या क्या कैसे करेगा, यही था. लिखो. If you wish to relive, दोबारा से जीना. If you wish to relive today's moment. If you wish to relive today's moments, comma, what would it be? अगर आज जो दिन बीता है तुम्हारा 12 बजे तक का, 1 बजे तक का, 1:30 बजे तक का, किसी हिस्से को दिन के अगर तुम दोबारा से जीना चाहो तो कौन सा हिस्सा होगा?
सर हम जो क्वेश्चन राइट किया सर वो भी सुनिए सर.
बोलो.
You do any part of today over again. मतलब सर आप आज के दिन किसी भी हिस्से को the part of today over again.
नहीं, गलत है. फॉर्मेट गलत है. गलत फॉर्मेट. यस. चलिए शुभम.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Would you like to relive any moment of the day? If yes, which moment would it be? Tell us.
I repeat my moments that sir, very critical question, sir.
All right, he's not able to answer the question that which moment to be relive. All right, चलो कोई बात नहीं. You can leave this question, no worry about it. ठीक है. Good question, Ravi. You asked a good question. चलिए आज की क्लास विल बी कंक्लूडिंग हियर ओनली. अगली क्लास में मैं आपको कुछ स्ट्रक्चर्स की प्रैक्टिस कराऊंगा और इस प्रैक्टिस को वी विल कंटिन्यू फर्दर आल्सो, थ्रू व्हिच वी विल बी लर्निंग सम न्यू स्ट्रक्चर्स एज वेल. एवरीबॉडी, am I clear the points?
Yes, sir.
We will conclude